Unveiling the mystery of a cat nap. Learn English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving into an interesting English phrase, a cat nap. Have you ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Let's unravel this together and add a fun expression to your English vocabulary. A cat nap refers to a short, light sleep that lasts only a few minutes. The term is derived from the way cats sleep. They often doze off for brief periods but remain alert. This kind of nap is usually taken to quickly refresh oneself, not for deep rest. The phrase has an intriguing history. It's believed to have originated because cats are known for their ability to fall asleep quickly and for short durations. This kind of napping is something cats do naturally, and thus, the term, a cat nap, became a part of the English language to describe a similar kind of short sleep in humans. 1. Example in context. I had a long night studying, so I took a cat nap during my lunch break to recharge. 2. In dialogue. Are you ready to go out? Give me 10 minutes. I need a cat nap after such a hectic day. 3. Variation. You can also hear people say, I'm going to catnap, or I catnapped. These are less formal but still widely understood. In different cultures, the concept of a short nap varies, and so do the terms used to describe it. For instance, in Spain, they have a siesta, which is a short nap taken in the early afternoon. Understanding such phrases can give insight into cultural attitudes towards rest and relaxation. I hope you enjoyed learning about a cat nap and feel ready to use it in your everyday English. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about the culture and lifestyle they represent. If you have ever taken a cat nap, share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting language learning videos. Happy learning, and don't forget to take your own cat naps to stay refreshed.